Quotients of powers. I'm Anil Kumar, and now let us understand the basics about the quotient rules. We'll complete this table, which has three different columns. Quotients are given in column 1, expanded form and single power are column 2 and 3. Now what is expanded form? We have x to the power of 5 divided by x squared. If we expand it, x to the power of 5 really means x times x times x times x times x, 5 of them, divided by x squared, that means x times x. So that is the expanded form, right? Now, if you have something like this, then we can simplify it. So when you simplify, we can cancel out 2 x's from the numerator and denominator, and we are left with x times x times x, which could be written as x cubed. So that is the solution for x to the power of 5 divided by x squared. We get x cubed. You can also use power rule to get to the same answer, right? X to the power of 5 divided by x squared is indeed equal to x to the power of 5 minus 2, right? You get the same answer, x cubed. So that is how we can write the single power. So we can use the quotient rule, and that is how we get our quotient rule. So that's a correlation which I want you to appreciate. Let's look into the next example. Now we could write this quotient in the form given to us, which is b to the power of 4 divided by b squared. Now if you apply quotient rule, let me start from here, you get b to the power of 4 minus 2. So whenever you divide, the exponents should be subtracted, right? So difference of exponents, you should get b squared. Now let us see, do we get the same result using expanded form? Let's try it out. B to the power of 4 means b times b times b times b, divided by b squared, b times b. Now again we can simplify, so we get what? 1b and the second b's get cancelled, and we are indeed left with b squared, correct? So we get the same result. So either way, we could write this expression in the single form by using the quotient rule or by using expanded form. So we have now 3 to the power of 5 divided by 3. How do we do this? Well, 3 to the power of 5 is 5 3's multiplied together. So these are 5 3's multiplied together. So it's 3 to the power of 5 divided by 3. This time we can cancel this out, and what do we get? We get 3 to the power of 4. Do we get the same answer using quotient rule? Well, if I write the number itself, it means it is to the power of 1. So we get 3 to the power of 5 minus 1, which is indeed 3 to the power of 4. So as a single power, I can always write this as 3 to the power of 4. I hope this example helps you to get a very clear picture about the quotient rule. So whenever you are dividing two expressions with the same base, then the exponents get subtracted. And the reason is, when you write in expanded form, they get cancelled. So it's like subtraction, right? So that is the key for this video. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.